Grand luxury meets easy Florida living. Fall in love the minute you walk through the double-etched glass doors into this gorgeous 2-story, sunlight-laden, 5-bedroom, 4-bath masterpiece with upgrades galore, an open floor plan, tile flooring, main-level bedroom, dining room, living room and great room. The spacious granite kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, dual wall ovens, soft close drawers, built-in icemaker, hot water tap, custom picture window, all centered by a quartz-topped island and wine cooler. The dramatic bamboo staircase leads to a luxurious master suite with seating area, built-in cabinets, dual walk-in custom closets and opulent master bath to indulge in. 3 additional large bedrooms and 2 baths round out the second floor. A large second-floor screen lanai offers quiet luxury and an exquisite lake view, while the main floor large, open-air lanai features motorized retractable screens, large heated pool and hot tub. This fabulous home is situated on an oversized cul-de-sac lot with spectacular long lake views. An oversized 3-car garage, 2-zone AC, 4 wall-mounted TVs and 5,000-watt direct wire generator are included. Sought-after location and A-rated schools.